In this video, I will show you how to join the Please Donate Discord server. So let's get straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here on the desktop and I've got the Discord app opened. Now, if you do prefer to use the web-based version of Discord, then just follow along as these steps are the same. The first thing you're going to want to do once you're in Discord is if you come to the server list on the left-hand side, you just want to scroll down until you get to a plus button like this, which says to add a server. Next, go ahead and give that a click to open up a window that looks like this. From here, if you look down at the bottom, you've got a little section which says have an invite already, then it says join a server. So just go ahead and click the join server button. And in the following invite link box, you just want to type in the following, which is discord.gg / and then you want to put Hazem. Like this. So Hazem is actually the creator, and once that's done, just click the join server button down here. So what it's going to ask first of all is which of the games you're interested in. So of course for this tutorial we're looking at Please Donate, so you just want to go ahead and tick that one. You can of course choose multiple other ones if you want to, but of course for the purpose of this tutorial we're just looking at the Please Donate server. Once that's done, just go ahead and click next down here. And then you can choose what you would like notifications for. So for example, game nights, giveaways, streams, and other sorts of things. So you can just choose any of these if you want to. You don't have to, you can just go ahead and click skip down here if you want to. And once that's done, it's just going to come up with some server rules. So you just want to go through and read these and make sure you're clear on the server rules. Once that's done, click finish to be accepted into the server. So once you're in the server, before you can actually post, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to the channel list on the left hand side, and you want to click onto the welcome channel first of all. So in this channel you will see a quick welcome from Hazem welcoming you to the server. Once that's done, then if you come to the left hand side, you want to look for the general channel under public channel, so this one here. Go ahead and give that a click. And then from there you can just go ahead and choose the channel as normal. So you can go ahead and type, and you're able to start posting straight away. There's no further verification for this server, but that's how you go ahead and join the Please Donate server. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.